Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a WordPress site, you already know that keeping your content organized is key to a great user experience. In this full 2025 guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage and add new categories in WordPress, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to organize your posts like a pro, making it easier for your readers to find what they need. Let's jump right in. Log in to WordPress first, open your favorite web browser, and go to wordpress.com. Click Login at the top right corner. If your Google account is linked to your WordPress site, you can choose Continue with Google for a quick and secure login. Otherwise, simply enter your username and password as usual. Navigate to the Posts section. Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Find and click on Posts. This is where all of your blog posts live and where you can manage everything related to them. Access the categories. Page inside the Posts section, you'll see an option labeled Categories. Click on it. Here you'll find a list of all the categories you've already created. These categories are crucial for organizing your site's content, improving navigation, and even helping with SEO. Add a new category. On the left side of this page, you'll see the Add New Category panel. This is where you'll create your new category. Name. Type in a descriptive name that tells visitors what kind of content they'll find under this category. For example, travel tips or healthy recipes. Parent category, optional. If you'd like this to be a subcategory, pick a parent category from the drop-down menu. For instance, Europe could be a subcategory under travel. Description, optional. You can write a short explanation of what this category is about. This is helpful if you have multiple contributors or just want to stay organized. When you're ready, click Add New Category, and your category will instantly appear in the list on the right side of the page. Managing your categories. If you ever need to edit a category, simply hover over its name in the list and click Edit. From there, you can change the name, parent category, or description anytime. You can also delete categories you no longer need, but remember, deleting a category won't delete the posts inside it. Those posts will just move to the default uncategorized section unless you assign them to a new category, and that's it! You've just learned how to manage and add new categories in WordPress for 2025 and beyond. Keeping your site organized not only makes it easier for your audience to browse, but also improves your site's SEO performance. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.